Hey guys, greetings from Property Unboxing. In continuation with our Sector 128 golf facing JP Noida series, we are going to show you a 1 BHK 936 square feet flat today. We have already covered details about the sector in our pavilion height video. If you haven't seen that, then the link is provided in the description. Pavilion Court offers 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. The Pavilion Court has a total of 17 towers. The construction is of 12 floors and provides an accommodation of around 1170 units. In Pavilion Court, few flats are ready to move in and for few delivery is still pending. 1 BHK flats are available in Tower 1 and Tower 9. In each floor you have 7 flats and 2 lifts. This flat has a living room, dining room, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, study, kitchen and 2 balconies. As you enter, you have the back side of the kitchen. On the right, you have the bedroom and the bathroom. On the left side, you have the living room. The size of the living room along with the study room is around 21 by 10 feet. You get vitrified tiles in this room. In each room, you get a split AC which was provided by the builder. Living room has an attached balcony. Aluminium PVC doors and windows were provided by the builder. This is 1.5 feet wide balcony. From both the balconies, you get golf and park view. Just next to the park is the JP Club. You have the dining area and the kitchen just next to the living area. The dining space is around 8 by 7 feet. Here you can enjoy the food along with the refreshing golf view. Kitchen size is around 8 by 7 feet. The modular kitchen was provided by the builder, so in all the flats you will have the same setup. Nice black granite counter is provided. Tiles up to 2 feet height above the counter level are also provided. Let's see the bedroom and the bathroom now. In the bedroom, you have wooden flooring. The wooden flooring was provided by the builder. The size of this room is 10 by 13 feet. This flat has an attached balcony in all the rooms, ensuring natural light in all the rooms. This balcony is also 1.5 feet wide and faces the golf. For storage, you have an almirah just behind the door and also you have the dressing area. This is the dressing area where you have the almirah in front and also on the left. Good quality sanitary ware was provided by the builder. On the floor you get anti-skid tiles and on the walls you get tiles till 7 feet. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to our channel. To schedule a visit, please do call us.